got grace, babe, now. Hey. You get God, you get grace, you get joy, your food comes sweet, you can't sabi pray. Normally you be wet material. Normally you be wet material. Normally you be full blessings, girl. Normally you be full blessing. You have God, you have grace, you have joy, your food comes sweet, you can't sabi pray. Normally you be wet material. Normally you be wet material. See blessing now, see favor now, see blessing now. Full blessing, babe. Hey. Babe.
Hello, good morning. You're welcome to my channel. So today it's yam and stew for breakfast, and this is a yam already washed and nicely sliced, ready to be cooked. So for my stew, here's my tomato paste. Though I'll be adding some water to it and making it lighter before I fry. Then I have my onion. I'll be making use of Knorr seasoning cubes, and then I'll also add Gino curry powder, and then the black pepper. Don't know if it's the same thing as black pepper. Call it Cameroon pepper here. Don't know if it's the same as black pepper. Then of course this is salt. I'll be adding salt. Yeah, and this is the meat already prepared, already fried, ready to be used. Got to first fry the onions now, then you add the tomato. I've already mixed it with water. Like I told you, I'm going to be adding water to it to make it lighter. Then it was, yeah. So this is my tomato, and then I told you I was going to add little water to it to dissolve the paste and make it lighter. So this is, we allow it to fry well, dry, and then we'll add our seasoning cubes, salt, spices, whatever we want to add to it. We'll add it, and then after that, oh no, the lightning. Our tomato is well fried now. I've added the different spices and everything. So it's already fried and good to go. And this is the yam. It's ready and ready to be served. Yeah, so we're ready. We're ready. Just something little for breakfast. Yeah. So let's go and eat. Breakfast is ready. If you're close by, feel free to join me. After all, we made it together, right? So let's enjoy together. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with me. Please like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be the first to get notified when next I upload videos like this and more. Thank you, and I love you all. One love. Bye.